Hi guys, Pavel from MF120 speaking. In today's video, we will unbox this Cooler Master Masterfan MF120 Halo. So without further ado, let's go and check what's inside the box. First, we need to take something sharp to open the stickers. First one and second one. Not enough. Okay, now it's enough. First thing, what will you get is the fan. Quite easy package, but if it works, it works. So let's open the rest. What the hell is this? Yeah, this small thing is, as maybe you can see on the paper inside, it is a safety tool to not split over two RGB cables. Quite niche, I would say. I see something like that for the first time. And then there is a fan itself. 1 RGB, 4 pin, and and RGB extension. So we have a daisy chainable RGB and standard 4 pin PWM. The fan itself is quite heavy, but the RGB fans are usually heavy. Blades are very smooth, it's running, very simple, I like it. And now we go and check some details. So, what do we have here on the magical box of the fan? First, dimensions: 120 millimeters, 25 millimeters thick, pretty standard, nothing special. Speed, RPMs. RPMs is from 650 to 1800. This is pretty standard mid-range fan, just perfect and enough for most of the cases and solutions which you will have. Airflow 47.2. I have to admit that this number is a bit disappointing. I'm not really sure which was the fan from the last reviews, but with same RPMs, I mean 1800, the CFM was over 60. So that's quite a difference. I am not that happy about it, to be honest. Air pressure or static pressure 1.6. 1.6 is a huge disappointment, to be honest. So right now I can say, if you would like to have this fan, you want it as a blower, definitely not for radiators, that's for sure. Lifespan 160,000 hours. That's kind of a mid-range, nothing special. What else? Yeah, noise level. Noise level is quite important. With the lowest RPM, which is 650, it's 6 dBA, which is quite, so it is fine. You will not hear it, not at all. But if you run it on a max RPMs, which is 1800, then you are going to have 30 decibels, which is again more than the average, which I would expect for this kind of a fan. So again, a bit of a disappointment. What's next? Rifle bearing, doesn't matter that much. 4 pin PWM, and only, and I have to say only, 2 years of warranty, because so far I think on all fans which I have reviewed so far, The warranty was, if there were any warranty on the box or on the web page of the manufacturer, it was 5 or 6 years, and here is only 2. Why? I don't know, but it speaks about something. Cooler Master is probably not that confident with this fan, so only 2 years. And yeah, that's it. Guys, I have to say that this fan looks perfect. Blades has quite interesting shape, nice rubber corners, all necessary cables, RGB, but the performance? I don't know. It's not blowing that much, it can be quite loud, and the static pressure is, well, kind of meh, and I would say a bit worse than meh. So, I don't know. In my point of view, aesthetically, it's a perfect fan, but in the rest of the attributes or stats, it's well, not that good as I would expect from the Cooler Master. So if I have a range from 1 star as a minimum and 5 star as a maximum, this fan will be like 2 stars. Just because of aesthetics, not definitely because of the other stats of the fan. And I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe this video. And if you like it, please give it a like, and see you on the next one.